Hi, my purpose is simple. I will share knowledge on the financial markets and hidden health information that is swept under the rug. If you learned anything, please drop me a like and subscribe. Thank you, team. Hey, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be going over a day trade quick chart and a weekly quick chart for a swing trade. So for the day trade chart, I'm looking at NVDA, and NVDA, the reason I'm interested in NVDA is it's been a market leader, which means it's been one of the strongest stocks in the entire stock market lately. And if you look right here where I'm highlighting, you see it says NASDAQ. So when you're trading a ticker, it will either be a part of the New York Stock Exchange, which would be the ES Futures or SPY ETF. And if you're trading a NASDAQ name, it would be the NQ Futures or the QQQ ETF. So when trading one of these names, you also want to check, in this case, the Qs. And we look at the Qs right here. They look pretty toppy. You see we've been going up, straight up, for about 2, almost 3 weeks. So we definitely need some consolidation on the Qs, but our all-time high on the Qs is 344.5. So we go back to NVDA, and the all-time high on NVDA is 721.5. So we're close to the all-time high on both these stocks, and something that is very helpful to do is you zoom back before you get the breakout, and you see we get a break right there. And you can kind of study and internalize the price action prior to the move. So we're getting that same type of flag before a potential strong move through this 721.5. So for a day trade, if I get a break above that all-time high, this has clean room until this upper body at 755 or 756. So we also want to check the hourly time frame, because first we start with a longer time frame and then we move a little bit down. And you see there's not any resistance through that spot. So NVDA through that 721.5 pivot is a beautiful day trade opportunity. So let's hop into the swing trade opportunity, and I'll switch my time frame to a 3-year weekly chart, because when swing trading, you're looking at a longer time frame rather than a day trade. You could look at the daily time frame. So in this case, we're going to do the same sort of thing, and we're going to go back to before the initial breakout. And you could see we were tight for 10, 20, almost 30 weeks before we got this monster move. Your buy spot would be around this 48.5, and from that 48.5 entry, we get a 15% move. So 15% on a swing trade, that is beautiful. That's money right there. For me, I'll personally risk anywhere from 3 to 4% on a swing trade, but you're getting basically 4 to 5R on your trade. If you enter on time and you scale out, you're not going to catch the top. So maybe the final P&L on a trade like this would be 10%, but still, that's fire. So we zoom back and we see you get a wick at that 48 spot, you get a wick at that 48 spot again, and then we break through. So now we have something very similar. You have a wick at the 57 spot, a wick at the 57 spot, and another wick at the 57 spot. So ticker DT is a very interesting stock to watch above that 57 spot. I could very easily see a move going all the way up to 65 and even up to 70. It wouldn't be surprising. So a few more things I wanted to speak about. We need, in this case, this is a NASDAQ, not a NASDAQ, it's a New York Stock Exchange ticker, sorry. So you would want to look at SPY, and SPY and the Qs are very similar right now. So even though we're a bit toppy, we want to see that break through the 425 all-time high. So you do your preparation, you do your studying, and you have clear buy points. Be sure that you're not chasing stocks. You want to have a buy point and you enter at that buy point. If you somehow miss the buy point, chasing a stock extended anywhere more than 3 or 4% from the pivot, that's going to mess up your entire trade. You're better off not entering at all. So in one little tip that I love, I have to work on it myself, but I think it makes people better. Don't try. Listen 2 times the duration that you're speaking. So you want to absorb information. Surround yourself with very intelligent people and learn from them. You never want to be the most intelligent person in your circle. So listen twice the duration that you're speaking. If you learned anything, enjoyed anything, drop me a like. Future videos are very much appreciated. Thank you. I appreciate everyone. Love you. Enjoy your afternoon.